So this US oil analysis for Friday, the 2nd of March. Now let's have a look where prices may likely go. So previously we saw price coming in towards this 63.05. We've had a very strong break of the level, tested the 400 period moving average, from which we did see buy side momentum taking us above the 62.54, and we immediately saw sell side momentum taking us down to the very next key level of 61.48. Now, in around the 61.48, we went into this consolidation beneath the 400 period average. We weren't able to successfully break and hold above this 400 period average. What we did see was a break of 61.48, and price head down towards the very next key level that we were looking at is in around the 60.25 and the 60 mark. What we did see was price head down towards that 60.25, and we traded. We didn't trade much below. We traded as low as 60.16, so not much. Below the 60.25 level, 9 cents or so, from which we did find support for a retest of the 61.48. Now we've come up in towards the 61.48, and so far we are seeing a rejection from 61.48. So prices do look poised to head down towards our 60.25, possibly breaking beneath that level. If we are to see a successful break from the 60.25, we would be looking for prices to head down towards, if not finding support again at 60.25 for a double bottom, for a move back up towards the 61.48. We were looking for price head down towards 59.31, 59, and eventually 58.28, from which we could potentially find support. All these levels just mentioned could potentially provide support. If, however, we do turn around from where we are at present and post a higher low, we would be looking to see our prices react around 61.48. In around 61.48, we do have the added confluence of the 400 period moving average, thus an increased likelihood of seeing sell side momentum off the 61.48 level. If, however, we were to successfully navigate both 61.48 and the 400 period moving average, we'll be looking for price head towards our 62.54, a break beyond which we're looking for price head up towards our 63.05. And if we were to move beyond there, 63.76, I'd expect to be the far end of the range here on the US oil. Now let's just have a look at the daily chart before wrapping up here on the US oil analysis. So if we head over to the daily chart and we get the scale on here correct, what we can see here is we've had a continuation. So we've had a very strong move to the upside, found pretty much turned around in around the 66.71, had a pull back down towards our 58.28, had a move back upwards, stalled in around 63.76. And what we have seen is 3 consecutive bearish days so far. And we did have a pretty strong retracement of 60.25. But we've had 3 bearish days so far. So we've got our highs there, potentially lower high, with us looking poised to head down towards our 58.28. And if we do break from there, in case of a high, lower high, we could see further sell side momentum taking us down to in towards the $55 a barrel mark on US oil. So yeah, we'll see how price develop from here, but that's just a big picture look at the US oil. So with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.